let's talk about breakfast ideas that can either be prepped ahead, require no cooking, some new inspiration for breakfast. And so I have ideas that I've come up with that require little to no prep. You don't need a recipe or specific measurements. So, first we have overnight oats. I mean, this is your milk of choice. Over the rolled oats, it can be almond milk, coconut milk. If you have a nut allergy, you could use regular milk. Super easy. You'd mix the oats, the chia seeds, almond milk, and honey together. And they're going to refrigerate it overnight. Top it almond butter, fresh berries. It'll be ready to go. No cooking required. These are great to do on the weekends. Several of these recipes will be great to do on the weekends, especially overnight oats, chia seed pudding. All those can be put in individual containers so that you can just grab one out of the fridge or hand one to your kids. Another one I want to mention are breakfast bowls, and we're going to talk quinoa and black beans. So I know that we have a tendency to think breakfast is always eggs, and it doesn't have to be. Breakfast can include grains and vegetables. So think about cooking some quinoa on the weekend. Then you can combine that cooked quinoa with black beans and salsa. You can top it with avocados. It can be eaten cold or warm. That's one of those that can be easily pulled out of the fridge and eaten, or you can warm it up and add that shredded cheese on top. But think about all the different things, whether it's rice, quinoa, different kinds of beans, corn, salsa. Maybe you have some chicken or canned chicken if you can eat chicken. Let's talk smoothies. I love prepping smoothies ahead of time, and I love to load them with fiber and protein. And what I do is individual Ziploc bags, and I add a scoop of protein powder, oatmeal, some chia seeds, and then add in whatever else you want, whether it's spinach, flaxseed, bananas, peanut butter, whatever milk or liquid that you want. I put all that in the blender together. Those chia seeds get ground up and the oatmeal gets ground up where you don't get the texture, the chunky texture, but you get all the nutrients and you can mix it with ice or without, but the chia seeds are going to help thicken it and create that smoothie texture for you. So if you like peanut butter bananas, this is going to be bananas, peanut butter, flax seeds, spinach, and almond milk, and you'll have an amazing smoothie. You can never go wrong with avocado toast. It takes 5 minutes. It's a slice of bread, maybe some hummus, sliced avocado, some cherry tomatoes. You could add a little bit of everything seasoning or hemp seeds. Again, you get creative with what you have, but toast and avocado, high in fiber, high in protein, high in those healthy fats. I love apple nachos as a snack, but let's take that a step further and apple and nut butter sandwiches. Core and slice your apples into rounds, spread some almond butter or peanut butter on each slice, and then sprinkle it with granola and raisins. Put another apple slice on top if you want to eat it like a sandwich, or you could have them as kind of like an apple nacho. Again, 5 minutes of prep, no cooking. Now, I do like to melt my peanut butter a little bit in the microwave so that it drizzles nicely. The last one I want to give you today is tofu scramble wraps. You're going to use firm tofu and scramble it up and season it like you would a scrambled egg. Then add some spinach, bell peppers, onions. Then you can add some spices like turmeric and cumin, getting some more of that nutritional content in there. But you're really getting the protein, the fiber, and because you've got different colored vegetables, a ton of different vitamins and nutrients. You'll saute that tofu with those vegetables and spices, and then just fill your tortillas like you would a burrito or any other wrap. What I love about the wraps and the burritos is if you prep those ahead on the weekend, you can wrap them individually in saran wrap or in a sandwich size Ziploc bag, and then toss them in the microwave to warm them up for a few seconds on your way out the door. I hope this gives you a lot of ideas packed with fiber and protein, and most of them can be prepared ahead of time with minimal preparation. And I'd love to know which one you're most excited about trying. One of my members in the Cook, Connect, and Conquer Club was looking for grab-and-go options that could be prepped ahead or didn't require cooking. Perfect for those mornings when time is short and everybody's hungry. Members get personalized responses to questions like this every single week. If you need more time-saving meal ideas and personalized support, check out the Cook, Connect, and Conquer Club at the link below. You'll get access to meal plans, my favorite AI kitchen assistant called the Kitchen Witch, community support, and personalized answers to all your mealtime challenges. I hope you'll join us.